こんにちは。Are you familiar with particle の as in 私の名前、私の名前、田中さんの本、田中さんの本。Particle no connects two nouns and it is often called the possessive particle. The particle no is very close to English possessive X. But no is very versatile and it has many more meanings than just describing possession. So let's look at the other examples. 大学の図書館、大学の図書館。日本の大学、日本の大学。ホンダの車、ホンダの車。日本のビデオゲーム、日本のビデオゲーム。ランニング用の靴、ランニング用の靴。Like I said, particle no connects two nouns, noun 1 and noun 2. So the important rule is that noun 2 is always the main idea, and now noun 1 adds some specification to noun 2, such as location, maker, purpose of noun 2, etc. So be careful with this ordering, because if you look at the English alternatives, it is not always in the same order as the Japanese ones. Okay? Here is another very common way to use particle no. For example, 友達のトム、友達のトム。夫のジョン、夫のジョン。日本語の先生の田中さん、日本語の先生の田中さん。So these are also very common way to use particle no, which does pretty much the same thing as the English opposition, such as This is my friend 花子。こちらは友達の花子さんです。こちらは友達の花子さんです。こちら is a polite way to say this, and you should always use こちら to refer to a person, okay? こちらは日本語の先生の田中さんです。こちらは日本語の先生の田中さんです。So another thing is just like 日本語の先生の田中さん。Particle no can connect to more than two nouns. Let's look at another example. 日本のディズニーランドのレストランのアイスクリーム。日本のディズニーランドのレストランのアイスクリーム。As you can see, when particle no is used repeatedly, usually the big things comes first and the smaller things follow, such as 東京の会社の経理課の鈴木さん。東京の会社の経理課の鈴木さん。Lastly, noun 2 can be dropped, especially when it describes possession. For example, あれは誰のスマホですか？あれは誰のスマホですか？私のです。私のです。これは田中さんの本ですか？これは田中さんの本ですか？いいえ、エリカさんのです。いいえ、エリカさんのです。So as you can see, both A and B know what they are mentioning in these conversations. So B doesn't have to repeat スマホ or 本. And it actually sounds more natural than repeating everything. Alright, so that's it. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section and I will see you in the next video. じゃあまた。